Lighting is everything when it comes to interior design. It plays a big role in how to perceive and experience a space because it radically affects the appearance of geometry and our mood and emotions as well. A good lighting plan depends on the characteristics of the light source and how we distribute in the space. So in this video, I want to share with you the basic principles about lighting design. I will provide you some tips, ideas, and concepts on how to line up any space like a pro. The basic principles of lighting design begin with understanding the characteristics of the lighting source. Each bulb or lighting factor has conditions that may or may not be good for our spaces. We need to understand that a good lighting design is all about layers. We need to blend different lighting sources into the space to create contrast, accentuate elements, color, and texture. Let's see how the layers work. The shape, style, and material of the light fixtures are a big part in styling your room. Layered lighting typically involves three main types of lighting: ambient, task, and accent. Each type of lighting has a purpose and when combined creates a flexible and well-lit space that can be used from daytime to evening. Ambient lighting is the base layer of light in any room. The main purpose of ambient lighting is overall illumination of a room, using overhead light fixtures ensuring it is well lit and comfortable. It's the first layer of lighting and sets the tone of a space. Common sources of ambient lighting include overhead lights, light chandeliers, pendant lights, and large ceiling-mounted fixtures. When using ambient lighting, consider the size and shape of your living room. Another layer is task lighting. Task lighting is light for a particular task. They are focused on specific areas where activities such as reading, working, and very specific tasks are take place. Task lighting will be the most functional layer of your lighting plan. Examples of task lighting include resist and track lighting pendants under cabinet lighting, floor desk and table lamps, or bathroom vanity lights. A good lighting plan provides functional lighting but is also an excellent element to be used to reinforce the room's desired design style. The third layer is accent lights. Accent lights intend to highlight a specific object or area to draw attention to features like artworks, architectural elements, or decorative objects. Picture light, track lighting, and LED strip lights are popular choices for accent lighting. Use accent lighting to draw attention to focal points in the room. The accent lights are responsible for adding style, contrast, and drama to a space. So if you feel that your room may be missing that especially something, it may be the accent lighting. This lighting layer is used to highlight these elements of your space in order to create more defined shadows that will add depth to each object and to the overall appearance of the space. Think about how the space will be used. For example, in living room activities like reading, relaxing, entertaining, in kitchen cooking, food preparation and eating, in bedroom sleeping, reading, relaxing, in bathroom, grooming, applying and makeup. You always need to think about layers of lighting. When you are in bed, you want to feel relaxed, feel ready to go to sleep, and I think the worst thing you can do is just rely on overhead lighting, so have to use lots of different layers of light coming from different directions. Color temperature is used as method of describing the warmth or coolness of a light source. The warm light creates a cozy, calm, inviting atmosphere, perfect to be used in bedroom, living rooms, family rooms, dining rooms, or any space that requires an intimate and personal mood. Neutral and soft white is a friendly and clean light best for kitchen, bathroom, or any kind of workspace. The cool light is adequate for offices, hospitals, or other commercial uses.